This is the HIPAA Authorizer. The main interface shows there are basically two modes to run this software. One is to request an authorization. The other is to give authorization. The two complementary functions of the 278 are included in this product. To set up the authorizer, click on Setup, then Application Setup. Here we set the directory where we write the response files. Here we decide what we want to do with processed response files to prevent processing them again. If we want to keep a log of everything, how to deal with updates, and if the document color on screen and on paper should be red to highlight it. These are the application setups. We click Save and we are done. The next piece of setup is the company. The setup company is who you are. So if you are a provider and try to create authorizations, this would probably be a doctor's office or hospital. And we put information in here about how you identify yourself in EDI files. Click on Save and save your company. Setup now sets up edit mode. Request and response transactions are linked to each other through a trace assignment, identity, TRN, or transaction number. It has to be unique, and it is important to link the response later on with the request. If you are connected to a database, this will store every previously input requester, subscriber, or provider. It can then be recalled by the first few letters, vastly increasing the ease of data entry. Here we turn on the autocomplete for ID and names. Here we make sure that the requests that we send out are tested for HIPAA compliance after being saved. This makes sure that the trading partners will accept our authorization requests. This last setup is the delimiter setup for EDI files. We don't have to take care of this. It's more for EDI specialists, and the default values work fine. The setup is now done. This concludes the setup without database support.